because my mustache is just actively growing like I'm a 40-year-old man.
On my pistol, man, empty out the clip.
And last but not least, again, my cravings around this time, y'all, I need to have chocolate or ice cream. If not, then it's gonna be over for you and your whole family. Hey, full fam, ignore my hair. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Y'all, in this video I am going to be doing a spend a day with me, a day in my life video, dry with me, all that. I feel like today's gonna be more of a hectic day, and plus my mom is home from work, so that's even more stress because as you can see, whenever she's home there's so much noise, so much more noise if I may add, in the house. So like my brothers are going crazy because they mama here and their sister's not their boss. She can tell them to be quiet all the time, so I'm just like, I'm gonna put my lip gloss on and mind my business. Cause if it's one thing y'all know about Haitian moms is that they don't care how old you are, you still gonna get your butt beat, okay? Alright, cool. I woke up at 10:30 and I showered, put my clothes on, and I am here in front of you guys with my hair not done and my makeup not done. So for today, I don't think I'm gonna put on a lot of makeup, just like a tiny bit to just look like a little bit presentable, because we are gonna be going out. Oh, y'all, I wanna wear these shades so bad. I don't wear shades often enough. And I got these, why is this here? And I got these from Fashion Nova, baby. I don't have any concealer. Well, I have a tiny bit left, bruh, like literally for one usage. So we're gonna buy that. So remind me, buy concealer, okay? Okay, so my makeup is semi-done. I'm letting my lashes dry right now so I can put them on. But for now, I'm gonna do something very quick, very cute with my hair. What I'm thinking is, since my hair is in kind of in afro state, I want to just leave some of it out because I rarely do that, and it's giving me like very much like a round form right now, and I really like that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave the back out, but for the front I want to do like a top bun or like two buns. Which one do y'all think? Comment down below, which one should I do? Should I do a top bun or like two buns? Let me know. I'm so sorry if y'all hear kids in the background. Lord, it's a lot in this house, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna separate my hair, not in half, but I'm just gonna separate the top section of my hair across. Y'all, my hair is so thick. Ooh, love it. I love my hair, y'all. And I feel like even if I had like 4A or like 4C hair, I would still love it, just because like it's mine and it took so much effort to grow, and in the process of raising it I started loving it. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna say it again, I love my hair. Since my scalp is revealed, I'm gonna get some castor oil and like put it on my finger like I did and just rub that on my scalp because I do have a dry scalp. So yeah. Alright, so in the meantime, my lashes have dried. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. Perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take all of the back out, and it's a lot, boy. I'm gonna just work on fluffing that out. Alright, y'all, and just like that, my hair is styled. Ignore that noise, that was my chair, but y'all, it is so pretty. Let me know if y'all want like a full detailed tutorial on how I got this style. So we woke up, thank God. Our hair is done, makeup's done. I am hungry. I'm actually in my kitchen right now, recording on my phone. If you hear noises, that's my boyfriend washing the dishes. But I'm gonna go ahead and make something to eat right now. Because I'm not gonna be able to make it. So let me go ahead and cook me up some food, and I'm gonna show y'all what I make. my plate right here. The plate that I poured out before is for my boyfriend, but yeah, look at this little boy. He just gonna fall on the floor like everything's normal. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and dig in, y'all. I am so excited for this. So yeah, I'll catch y'all later. All right guys, so it's currently 1:20. I'm done eating and everything. You could tell because my lipstick is like halfway gone. It's like I put on freaking lip liner and I actually didn't. So y'all feel so drained already and the day just started. But I think I just got the itis because I just got done eating. I'm just gonna rest a little bit and my boyfriend is here. I fed him. I want to just chill out and relax with him. Plus we gotta talk about some things. We're planning some trips, some vacation trips, also we gotta discuss some ideas I have on my channel and etc. We just got a lot to talk about. After we're done doing that, me and you, yes, me and you, full fam, we're gonna go out and get some essentials that we need, and then yeah, we'll take it from there. So I'm up and that's my car right there. I was gonna drive it to go to get what I needed, but my mom has my keys because she was using my car yesterday and she went out, so she went out with the dang keys. So I'm just like, really? So I gotta use my boyfriend's car. So that's what we're doing now, and I'm so sad because y'all, his car does not have a freaking tripod like mine does. I hate driving other people's cars because I have to adjust the seats and just do all that. Y'all, I know the sound quality right now is horrible. I'm so sorry. Like, this is the only place that I could find in this dude's car to put y'all and for y'all to like be able to see me. Although I hate this angle, we just gonna do it because I'm gonna take y'all along with me regardless. So safety first, you already know. I got the car and drive. I don't know why when I'm gonna reverse. We're just gonna go get some things, and thankfully this little shop is right next to my house. So I need dog food. I need like a body wash thing, like, you know, those things that you can scrub your body with. I need one of those. I also need some like smell good stuff for the bathroom, for my room. Right off the bat, I also need concealer. I told you to remind me. Okay, I told you to remind me. I need concealer and I need some other things. I wrote them down in my notes, thankfully, because yeah, I'm a mess. We're just on the road to go get these things. I'm so happy whenever I'm able to go and buy the things that I need, y'all. Okay, so I actually already arrived. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go get some things and then I'll be back to show you what I got. I think I'm gonna show you out the house though, because this car is just like, I don't know what we're going to do because I don't know how the sound quality is right now, but I know it's bad though. I'm talking too much. Don't y'all hate when cars just stop in front of y'all like my nigga? All right, see y'all. This is so pretty, y'all. Wow. Oh my god, okay. Y'all, I'm back. Ooh. And I know it's very loud right now, so now I'm just gonna drive back home and jam to some music. Even though the drive back home is like 5 minutes long, I'm still gonna do it. And yeah.
But you on my pistol, man, empty out the clip.
Alright y'all, so I'm back, right? And there's this song that I like. I don't know how I've been in the dark about it, but I basically just found out about it and I love it already. So I'm giving my dogs some treats right now. That's one of the things that I bought. I got 2 dogs. They're both enjoying themselves right now. So this is the very first thing I got, which is the dog treats, along with some dog food, you know, like regular stuff. All right, I also got some plastic plates and plastic cups. As you can see, as you've seen before, I only eat in plastic plates because there are just too many people in this house, and when it's dirty dishes, I'm always the one to wash them, so no. All right, so next, I'm so excited about this, y'all. It seems so simple, but it is a Gain air freshener. If y'all have never smelled that, oh wow, this is literally half full. Has it always been like that? Y'all see where it's, I should dispute my transaction. Y'all, this might be a bit TMI, but my cycle is approaching. It's like right at the door, almost here, and I'm just having some strong cravings. One of them would be for chocolate chip cookie dough. So the Ben & Jerry's came through. My favorite ice cream. It's a tie between this and like the Snickers ice cream, like the bar. So yeah. Oh my god, I forgot to buy concealer. Hate myself. I bought these smell good things for my car, also laundry smells. I don't know what it is about me and like linen and like laundry smells. I just really like them. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in my purse because I be forgetting it in my room and I just don't have access to it. You gonna go somewhere?
Outside.
Oh, all right. Next, I got this thing to wash my body with. I was really hesitant whether or not I should get pink or this very beautiful blue turquoise color. I said, let me get this because I always get freaking pink. And I bought this cream hair remover duo kit. Y'all, I'm gonna use this on my face because my mustache, ooh, I can't see, because my mustache is just actively growing like I'm a 40-year-old man. This is from Sally Hansen. It is infused with honey and avocado oil, so I'm thinking that should be healthy because it is gonna go on your face. It has a fresh scent. Now, Nair be giving me all types of unfresh scents. If I don't know if unfresh is a term, but that's what Nair be giving me, so hopefully this is better. And last but not least, again, my cravings around this time, y'all, I need to have chocolate or ice cream. If not, then it's gonna be over for you and your whole family. So I got this Hershey's I got this Hershey's king size chocolate bar. If y'all know me, I know I love Hershey's king size. It cannot be the regular size Hershey because to me it just does not taste the same, and I cannot just eat it right off the bat, right like that. Like, it has to go in the fridge for me to eat it. So yeah, that's what I got, or should I say that's what I got it in. Yeah, I think that would be it. It is currently, what time is it? Alright, well, last time I checked it was like 2:30, so it's probably 2:45 or 3 o'clock now, and I want to get this video up for y'all at around 5 o'clock or a little bit later, I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and work on this video, edit it for y'all, and get it up. I am dedicated because y'all are worth it. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. I thank you so very much for watching. Again, thank you so much for 4,500 subscribers. We're on the road to 5K subscribers. We can do it, y'all. We are growing so strong. Oh, I'm so excited for what the future has in store for me, for us actually. But yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, out. Love you.